Hey guys, welcome to Larock's Cooking Adventures. I'm your host Nena Larock, and today I will be showing you guys how to make tomato cucumber salad. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share down below. Okay, so here we have 6 Roma tomatoes, we have 2 cucumbers, we have half of a red onion cut, and then we have a mixture of salt and pepper here. And we also have Italian herb vinaigrette. Okay, so we're gonna start off by cutting our cucumbers. We're gonna cut the ends off first. And then we're going to shave this off. We're gonna do 3 of these. This is a pretty easy dish to make, and it's vegetarian friendly. It doesn't require much skill. So we're gonna do the same thing here. I'm going to see you guys recreate this dish and email us a picture of it. Alright. Gonna add this to our bowl over here. Okay, so we're gonna add our red onions to this. Just crush it up a little bit so the pieces separate. Like that. Okay, and now we're going to cut our tomatoes. So for the tomato, we're going to decore it. Like that. Then we're going to cut this in half. Going to cut in half again. You want to cut it gentle so that you don't like squish it up. So then we're going to do 4s. Alright guys, so we're going to cut the last tomato here. Alright, and now we're going to add these to our bowl here. I'm going to break it up a little bit more. Oh, I didn't cut all the way. We're also going to add a little bit more onion here. Alright, a little bit more. Alright. So now we're going to add, this is 1/4 of a teaspoon, and we're going to do that with our salt and pepper. And then we're going to measure out our vinaigrette. And this is a 1/2 cup. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of it, but I'm going to start with that. Alright, so now I'm going to put these gloves on and we're going to mix it. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and mix this up. You want to be gentle so that you don't smash up the tomatoes. And we used 4½ tomatoes in total. These are the extras that we have over here. And we might have to add another 1/4 of a teaspoon, which is in total 1/2 of a teaspoon in here. We're gonna mix this up again. Now we're going to plate this. And we have 2 bowls here. We have a spoon. We're gonna just scoop up everything into our bowls here. Okay guys, so I actually have an idea. We're going to add some fresh mozzarella to this dish. And I'm just gonna scoop a little bit out into a smaller bowl. And we're going to add about 1/4 cup of chopped fresh mozzarella here. Alright, I'm just gonna mix this up a little bit. And then we're going to add this to our other dish. And this actually isn't a vegan option, but you guys can always do whatever. The rest in here. Alright guys, there you have it. This is your tomato cucumber salad. This is the vegan, non-vegan. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is Nena Larocks signing off.